me run to another one of our walkthrough videos. Today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Colt Plus. It's a little bit more, bit different from the normal Colt. So the Colt Plus is a longer version. So it's currently priced at 6485, done just under 85,000 Ks, cut and polished black color. It is a 1.5 liter engine, chain driven, so no cam belts or water pumps to be changed. Now looking at the front tires, we have 175 65 14s. No major scratches or dents, as you can see. Does has a sun for the windshield for the rain. Hard plastic material at the top, hard plastic there as well, so pretty much no padding for your arm to rest on. Dark black grey interior with cloth. Will be pretty comfortable for long drives. Now looking at the left rear door, as you can see we do have a small paint chip just at the top here. Easily can be touched up, so don't worry about that. Looking at the rear door card, good condition. Now all our cars has been certified by Vehicle Inspection New Zealand or AA. The rear seats do fold down like all hatchbacks. Child seat anchor point. No scratches or dents on the rear. Again, 175 65 14s, Goodyear tires. Now being a Colt Plus edition, I'll just show you guys. It does have a bigger cargo area. It's not just the cargo area, we also have an electric tailgate. Sorry about that, I forgot to turn the function on. I just press a button and rear gate will close automatically. Very handy. Now looking at the back seat. I'm 5'7". I got about 4 or 5 centimeters of legroom. Now just putting the seat back up, putting this armrest down. We have 2 cup holders. It's got a bit of soft plastic here. Don't think it'll hold the bottles very well, but gets the job done, I guess. The headroom is generous, as you can probably imagine. Got a little bit of for your bags or whatever you want to put. You can put a hat if you want, or you can even put a necklace. Up to you. Sitting in, oh yeah. So we've got 2 factory keys, one with tailgate opening function. Now we'll sit inside. We'll just close that door. You can put this up, give you a bit more room. Automatic headlights. However, there is no automatic front wipers. To start the car, just put the foot on the brake, put it in the ignition, and turn it like a normal car key. So 84,929 kilometers on the clock right now. Odometer has been certified again by AA. Now the funny thing about this car is the gear stick is on the steering wheel, so it's kind of like driving a truck. Some people like it, some people don't like it. It's everyone's preference is different. Got AM, FM, TV doesn't work in New Zealand. Honestly, probably other functions, probably it's pretty useless. Dashboard's actually quite long. It might not suit a bit shorter people, but it will be best if you can physically come here and have to sit in it. Again, like I said, the headroom is really generous in this car. Oh, good size glove box, a little bit bigger than usual. Got an original Mitsubishi paperwork from Japan, which if you can read Japanese, that's a good plus, but for most of us it's quite useless. 2 cup holders here. You can pull out and push back in it when you don't need it. Bit clumsy there. We also have a power outlet just at the bottom. And one thing I forgot to mention is it has a foot brake, not hand brake, as you can see from here. WAF compliance certified. Engine oil and filter replaced. Very clean dashboard. Again, none of our cars are smoky, so you don't need to worry about any cigarette smells. We'll just turn on all the headlights and hazard lights. Now it doesn't have HID headlights, that just means it will cost you less to get things replaced later on. Looking at the engine bay, Mitsubishi 4-cylinder, chain driven, 1.5 litre, naturally aspirated engine. Battery just over 4 years old. No rust, no oil leaks, very clean engine. Now again, if anyone has any questions, just flick me an email at sales@autodream.co.nz and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Again, if anyone has any questions, just flick me an email at sales@autodream.co.nz and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.